Hey all, so this is what I look like when I get up. My hair is flat, dry, and I just rejuvenated. I start by brushing the back down just a little bit, as you can see, and then kind of fluffing it out. Now, fluffing it out does make it a little frizzy, but it does rest and it gets, the curls go back into place. Now, as you see, I did one little flat twist in the front. I do that maybe every couple of days just to make the front look really fresh, and that's what I do. I run my hands through it, really making sure everything blends. A lot of times I just put a bunch of Bantu knots. Sometimes they're twists with the Bantu knot, but that's how I do the top. Now I'm just re-moisturizing it with a little water around the bottom part of my hair, and that's where I'm going to do the twist with the sponge. But first I'm using the Nairobi mousse, and as you can see, I'm going to be just putting it right at the sides and then across the back. I don't touch my top at all, just maybe the root, just a little bit. So now I'm going to take my sponge. I like to use this part with the smaller holes. You probably can't see it, it's a little dark. And then rub the rest of the excess mousse, and I'm going clockwise around my hair. So I'm going around the bottom again. I might touch a little bit of the top a little bit, but it's just blending it all in. So as you can see, my hair is a lot thicker and longer, like towards the back, but I'm going to be getting that cut soon. But I love this cut that Mitzi did. Her information will be in the down bar, but she cut my hair, and at the end of this video, you're going to see the versatility of this cut. I'm going to include a couple of pictures that you're going to be able to see. But as you can see, just clockwise, and I'll be picking this out in just a little bit. Look at that. I just love these sponges. So I'm going in with the Gorilla Snot, or whatever this stuff is called. Yeah, like gel Gorilla Snot, I believe it is. And I'm going around just the parameter of the sides of my hair. My hair is kind of grown out a lot, so I like to really use this to kind of tame the sides down a little bit. And sometimes I just leave the actual twist there. And then I love the Lotta Body Control Me gel. It's like a, well, edge control. And I like to mix it with it because it helps it to just be a little bit softer, but it helps it to stay as well. And as you can see, I'm just using my brush. I got a little bit of the longer hair with that, but that's okay. And then just kind of creating like thick baby hair, or whatever you want to call it, but just kind of taming it down towards the side, as you can see. Now I'm going in with my pick and just picking out my hair, making sure everything is nice and blended. And it's like almost like as the day goes on, it just looks even better because the curls kind of start forming itself. It's not as frizzy looking, but I kind of like my hair big, frizzy. I'm loving this cut, loving the style. And as you can see, this is what it looks like in the back. I kind of wanted to slow it up a little so you can see the back of my hair. And then I just keep playing with it, picking it out. It kind of falls as it may throughout the day, but it stays, nice and poofy. And that is the look. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this eye makeup look, I do have a video on it. I'll post it sometime soon. But this is the look. Hope you all enjoy it. And stay tuned just for a couple of more seconds. I'm going to show you how my hair is straight with this style as well, this cut. All right. Talk to you soon.